Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Ajay Sharma. So today I'm gonna discuss a very landmark case law, Bipin versus Prabhavati AIR 1957. This case gives us the concept of desertion in a Hindu law. Bipin Chandra versus Prabhavati AIR 1957. So let's start guys to be discussion on the desertion. What exactly desertion mean in a marriage? Desertion is when one person leaves the marriage, and it's not a big reason why someone might be get a divorce. But it's not just about the packing your bags and leaving. The court says that there are two main things that need to be true for it to be a desertion. Firstly, you actually leave. This is obviously a part you are not living together anymore, and the time period is also more than 3 years, or 2 or 3 years. Generally 3 years. Secondly, you intend to live forever. This is the really most important part. You don't just live for a few days because you are mad. You live just because you want to marriage to be over permanently. Both of these having to be happening at the same time for certain amount of years. Back then it was 4 years. What exactly happened in this case? So the fact of this case are, in 1942 they got married, everything seems fine. In 1947, Bipin Chandra goes to the England for a work or a business trip. While he was away, he finds some letter that make him think Prabhavati is having an affair with someone, and that person was a friend of Bipin Chandra. When he confronts her, she gets really upset and goes to the father's house. She says she is not going to for a cousin's wedding, but she doesn't come back. By 1947, here's where it gets tricky. Bipin Chandra, lawyer, sent a letter to the Prabhavati. It basically says, I don't want you living with me anymore. Send our son back. In 1951, 4 years later, Bipin goes to the court to get a divorce. He says Prabhavati deserted him in May 1947 when she left for her father's house. So these are the facts of this case. Legal issue. The issue was whether Prabhavati's actions constituted desertion as defined by the law, entitling the husband to get a divorce. The court had to determine if both the physical separation and the intention to permanently end of the marriage were present. Question is that the Prabhavati really deserted Bipin Chandra? The Honorable Supreme Court look at everything and says, no, Bipin, you can't get a divorce based on a desertion. If it's not a desertion, can you tell me in the comment box what exactly it is? It's a case of adultery or not? The Honorable Supreme Court in its judgment laid down that the essential ingredients for proving desertion as a matrimonial offences. First, factum of separation. There must be a physical separation between the spouses. Second, animus desidendi. This separating spouse must have a definite intention to bring the cohabitation to an end permanently. Why Honorable Supreme Court say no, Bipin, you can't get divorce based on a desertion? Here's the Prabhavati didn't intend to leave her forever. The court believed that she left because she was ashamed and upset about the letters, and not because she wanted to end the marriage for a good. Second, she tried to come back. The court said the Prabhavati through her family that tried too many times to sort things out and come back to the home. Bipin Chandra says no. This was the deal breaker. Bipin Chandra himself, through his lawyer's letter in July 1947, made it to be clear he didn't want her back in their life. If he refuses to let your spouse come back, you can't say they deserted you. So it's like this: if someone leaves but then genuinely tries to come back and you says no, you can't claim they deserted you. In fact, the court even hinted that Bipin Chandra's action could be seen as him deserted her. Why this case still matters today? The Bipin Chandra versus Prabhavati case is a super most important just because of it. Living is not enough. You have to mean to end the marriage for it to be a desertion. Second, the person asking for a divorce has to be prove everything. It's their job to show the court that all the parts of a desertion are true. Third, both side actions matter. The court look at what both the husband and wife did. If one person refuses a genuine attempt to reconcile it, change everything. Thanks for watching guys. So that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, so don't forget to like this. So if you found this video helpful, so don't forget to like this. If you found this video helpful, so don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. If you found this video helpful, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, bye bye guys, see you in the next video.